For destinations unlimited, this true 4x4 RV opens up a world of possibilities. Designed specifically for active outdoor enthusiasts, the all-new Winnebago Revel takes a no-nonsense approach to adventure. Taking full advantage of the proven 4x4 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, the Revel's 3-liter turbo diesel engine puts 325 pounds per foot of torque through an on-demand 4-wheel drive system, complete with high-low range mode for added off-road capability. Inside, the Revel's unique features start with a floor plan designed around a 140 cubic foot gear garage. It has 6 removable cargo tie-down anchors for storing gear, like bikes or kayaks. When gear is unloaded, the power lift bed drops from the ceiling into the sleeping position. Measuring a generous 79 inches in length, the comfortable gel foam mattress will help you recharge for your next adventure. Up front, the 2 captain's chairs swivel into the living space. The pull-up dinette table is a great place to have a conversation or share a meal. It conveniently stores out of the way when not in use. The Revel includes a full galley to fuel all your outdoor activities. It is equipped with a 2.5 cubic foot compressor refrigerator, single burner induction range top, and stainless steel sink with folding faucet. A flip-up countertop extension provides more room so meal prep is a breeze. And if you prefer to enjoy your meals under the stars, a fold-down outside table is provided. The all-in-one wet bath and gear closet boasts a cassette-style swiveling toilet that eliminates the need for a separate black water holding tank. A flexible shower head and curtain makes it easy to clean up after a long day at play. Dimmable LED lights, flush-mounted in the soft vinyl ceiling, set the mood. Tinted dual-pane windows are equipped with insulated privacy shades. The high-efficiency roof air conditioner and diesel-powered heating system keep you comfortable wherever you go. Once you've reached your site, extend the awning with the push of a button. Built-in LED lighting illuminates the campsite, and the integrated wind sensor automatically retracts the awning when it gets gusty. A porch light and ground effect lighting also help illuminate the campsite. Enjoy the breeze and avoid unwanted visitors with the Revel's front and rear screen doors. A movable ladder allows for easy access to the luggage rack, while the trailer hitch provides impressive towing capacity. The exterior service center houses all of the plumbing hookups, including an outdoor shower with hot and cold settings to rinse away the day's dust. The 30-amp inlet powers the Revel when parked at a modern campsite. When boondocking or on the road, the 200-watt solar system gets the job done. From its feature-rich cab with comfortable seating and large-screen infotainment center, to its rugged exterior with performance wheels and all-terrain tires, the Winnebago Revel 44E is quite simply the most off-road capable RV Winnebago has ever built. For more information on this well-appointed Winnebago Revel 44E, please visit our website at generalrv.com or call us at 888-436-7578 to speak to one of our Winnebago product specialists. General RV Center, the nation's largest family-owned RV dealer.